Is everybody a twin flame? Do we all have a twin flame? Hi, the topic that I want to address today is one to which I was completely guided, of course, as I always tell you. Each one is the source of their own truth, and you don't have to blindly follow anyone. So here I go with the information that I was guided to share. To those who are prepared and to whom it is intended. The term twin flames has been romanticized and confused with the ideal partner, the fairy tale couple, the ultimate happiness, and yes, it can be, but it is not just that, as an end goal. Twin flames are a particular form of incarnation, a different form in which a soul chooses to incarnate on the third-dimensional plane. Whether on this planet or any other third-dimensional planet that is in the process of transitioning to a higher dimension. The soul of this being chooses to incarnate in a divided form. To have double energy impact in their volunteer mission to help raise the consciousness of the collective of the certain planet in its evolutionary cycle towards ascension. On a higher plane, this being decides, with the help of their guides or angelic team, so we could call it, to make the agreement for their incarnation in a divided way in the third dimension. In their first incarnation, it's possible that they have inhabited the Lemurian continent, and their roots are star systems such as Sirius or the Pleiades. By this I don't mean that they have some kind of superiority in relation to individual incarnating souls. It's as such as a comparison when we see in the physical the twins brothers that start from the same single cell. These are the identical twins. Not all of us incarnate with a twin brother, for example. We are all really brothers in soul because we are all one. Part of the whole and the same source, but there are souls who decide to incarnate individually, and others divided into the two polarities. In these times when the Earth is in its final ascension process, it's very likely that these souls that incarnated in a divided form will finally find each other. That is why there are many encounters and recognitions in the current moments, but this has led to the confusion that everyone has a twin flame. More than anything because it's something seen as an ideal and not as a mission. On the other hand, everybody have soulmates to realize that ideal. Twin flames have it more difficult since their purification at the highest level is necessary for union and fusion, mutual recognition and conscious mission, which is through their empowered gifts. By forming unity in mutual will. On the other hand, soulmates also have their mission of service, but it can be individual, since each one is at their highest potential alone, without the need to be with the other, but twin flames need to unite so that their frequency is indicated and enhanced as they agreed to it. To have a greater influence or power that really makes a big difference in raising the collective frequency and its impact. And this is why I want to transmit this information to those who resonate and are prepared to receive and assimilate. Love is universal, and not only intended for a few. We can all achieve love regardless of being twin flames or soulmates. And all the ways in which souls can incarnate. The idealization of the term twin flames has led people to seek something that they may not have. Because if their soul didn't decide that form of incarnation, they will not have it. But surely you will have soulmates who can make you achieve that long-awaited happiness of perfect romantic love. if it is something that your soul agreed to experience. And as I always say, all good things come from the work of one's own energy. To achieve all the blessings of life and have the best possible time in the present incarnation. An awakening to that consciousness is what the twin flames also bring as a mission to transmit. Twin flame connections are much stronger to be able to achieve that union. And like big nudges of their guide systems to wake them up so that they have no doubts and go directly to what they came to do. Supernatural aspects are crucial as unique characteristics of these connections. Not because you are obsessed with a certain person or you remember past lives with him or her. It means that you are a twin flame unit, but they may be soulmates who have shared many incarnations with you, and having experienced so much. It's possible that this life is in the one that you can achieve happiness together, and the dissolution of your karmas. This is called dharma, which is gathering the fruits of previous sowings. What would be called a gift? And this is actually the dream relationship that everyone who is starting to be drawn to twin flame communities and blogs want, but twin flames need a lot of polishing. More to achieve that perfect harmony. Also knowing that twin flame connections have degrees of difficulty, they are very confused with karmic processes. And abuse and violent situations are often overlooked because some believe that it is the twin flame process. Please don't allow those situations. How do I find out what connection I have and if I really have a twin flame? When you are a twin flame, the information comes to you from your shared higher self. You have clues throughout your life even if you don't know what it is until you wake up, and many years may pass until that moment. And one is going to awaken first, usually the female energy. This part of the unit, the feminine part, will not receive simple numerical synchronicities, but as divine stones over her of inexplicable supernatural events. So that can no longer be any doubt in any way, and can begin with the process of personal purification and healing. Although your twin flame already occupies all your thoughts and every fiber of your being, the work has to be on yourself. You should not put pressure on the other party. Although your work itself will still have an impact on your other polar opposite self. The job is to polish a raw charcoal and turn it into a diamond, to master your personality, emotions. And sometimes this requires deep pain to come out to heal. Everything that is swept under the carpet, all those things that we don't want to see will come to the surface. Because otherwise this polishing to the maximum brightness will not happen, and if this does not happen, twins will not be able to comply with the agreement, and what they came for. The purpose of why the incarnation was in two. Sometimes just thinking that we are in a twin flame process and entering spirituality because of it, even though we are not twin flames, is a catalyst to enter the evolution of our souls and begin to be part of the ranks of light workers. That means it will not be in vain. If you have entered these topics even if you only did it for the dream of having an ideal or perfect partner. Divinity has different ways of bringing service souls together to do their work. Whether or not they are twin flames. Then, the meditation and the connection with your own being is what will reveal to you, and only this, if you really are an embodied twin flame or not. And also this meditation will connect you with your destined soul, on a path towards your happiness, and this will also lift everything around you, because you will vibrate high. And the massive high vibrations are what will lift Earth to planetary ascension. It was difficult for me to write this that I am reading to you now. It was easier for me to write it first. Because it's my way of channeling information from my higher self, automatic writing. But the fact that it was difficult for me to transmit this is because I know that not everyone is going to like what I say. But it was something imperative that I had to transmit. And I could not delay it any longer. I thank those who took the moment to listen to me, or read me, and of course everyone can take or leave this, as indicated by the wisdom of their own being. Each post or video about twin flames is directed to the true twin flame community, and each one has to discover if is a twin or not. The difference between some posts is that if you are not a twin flame, it will still serve you to rise in energy and grow spiritually. But it will not affect the progress of the other person in their spiritual development, because if he or she is not your twin flame, their journey is individual. Otherwise, if that person is your twin flame, your inner work will have repercussions in him or her for being a unit. Now I say goodbye, and I hope I did not bother anyone. That was the only thing that stopped me from doing this post before, but I was really pushed to do it. Blessings to you all.